So addressing one of the most common concerns or complaints that you hear these days, that is acidity or heartburn. Well, we are going to talk about reasons that you need to know just beyond your diet. We all know that junk food consumption, high sugar consumption, greasy food stuff is known to spike acidity. But talking about the other important things that equally contribute to having an acidic response in the body. So talking about sleep. Sleep being the most underrated health parameter that we have today. Well, if you have been sleeping late for days together, if you've not been getting the amount of sleep that you usually get, okay, for that matter, if you're having late nights for multiple days, your body is going to give you an acidic response. And this is one of the most common causes for acidity or heartburn that we see today. Second thing is the mind-gut connection. So what happens is if you are mentally very occupied, if you're always on the if you're always on the edge and you are always worked up or occupied in your mind, your body is going to give you symptoms or signs to tell you that things are not easy, things are not right. And acidity is one of that communication message that your mind and body together pass on to you. So watch yourself. See if you're always in a rush. See if you're always in a hurry, and watch for your own symptoms and the situations that spike those symptoms for you. And the third factor, if your diet is really less on fiber that comes in from your fruits and vegetables, then your body is likely to give you more of an acidic response. Now, our fruits and vegetables are rich in fiber, but they are divided into two types of fiber, that is insoluble and soluble fiber. So make sure in order to correct your acidity, you're going really good in terms of your vegetables and your fruits. And the last point, which is more or less quite obvious. So our stomach releases acid-based enzymes, or for that matter diluted acids in the body, to work or digest the meal. So if you've not eaten for long periods, your stomach is yet going to keep secreting those acids, but it will have no food to work upon, and that's where it is going to spike your acidity levels. So these are 4 things that can help you correct your acidity levels.